Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to sketch a rough graph of the yield of a crop as a function of the amount of fertilizer used. So we have a graph here, staying in the first quadrant because these are all positive values because it's a real-life phenomena. We are plotting the yield over fertilizer. And what we'd expect is that if we use no fertilizer, we'd have a certain yield, right? Maybe it's not particularly good. And as we increase the fertilizer, we would expect the yield to go up. And notice that the rate of change slows down over time. The difference between 0 fertilizer and let's say 1 unit of fertilizer is probably going to be bigger than 5 fertilizer and 6 fertilizer units, right? And eventually you get to a maximum value, which is like the optimal amount of fertilizer to be used. And then it becomes too much fertilizer. And eventually you completely kill the plant. So this is just a rough graph. It doesn't have to be exactly looking like this, but it increases, hits a maximum, and then decreases to 0.